In this video, we'll be exploring two common network topologies that you'll need to know for your exam, the star and mesh networks. A network consists of devices, called nodes, which are connected either by wires or wirelessly. The arrangement of these nodes and how they're connected is called the network's topology. There are many different types of topologies, but the two that you'll need to know for your exam are the star and mesh topologies. In a star topology, all nodes are indirectly linked through a central point, usually a switch. This setup is commonly seen in local area networks, LANs, where devices like servers, workstations, and printers are all connected to a central switch. The advantages of a star topology includes that each node is separately connected, so a failure in one node or its connection doesn't affect the others. Adding new nodes is simple, as you only have to connect them to the switch. And messages are also efficiently passed only to their recipients. However, star topologies also have some drawbacks. If the central switch fails, then the entire network fails as all connections go through the central switch. It can also require a lot of cabling, which adds to the cost, especially in larger networks. These properties mean that star topologies are commonly used in large organisations, educational institutions, and businesses where high performance is essential. They're also popular in home networks, particularly wireless ones, where a single router with a wireless access point serves as the central connection. On the other hand, mesh topologies don't have a central connection point. Instead, each node is connected to multiple others, forming a network where messages can travel through various routes. The advantages of mesh topologies include that messages can be received quickly if the route's short. Messages can also have multiple routes, meaning that they can usually get through even if a few nodes have failed. Nodes can also transmit and receive data from other nodes simultaneously, and new nodes can be added to the network without interrupting other connections. Mesh topologies also have some disadvantages, including that they can be difficult and costly to set up due to the high number of connections and cables needed. This can also make maintaining these connections challenging as there are so many cables in the first place. Mesh topologies are normally used in scenarios where a reliable connection is crucial, such as for military organisations or emergency services like the police and fire departments, to ensure that they've got reliable communication sources. So, in summary then, in this video we've learned that a network topology is an arrangement of nodes on a network. There are two key types of network that you'll need to know for your exam: the star and mesh topology. A star topology is a network where all of the nodes are connected to a central point, whereas a mesh topology is a network where nodes can connect to various other nodes at the same time. So that's the end of this video. If you'd like to test your knowledge and access other lesson resources, then make sure to head on over to revisio.uk.